thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away.
I hope everyone had an awesome 4th of July. The guys here, we've got desserts. Here's one, a layered blueberry, strawberry, angel food cake, and whipped cream. And coming up, this one was a little harder. It was supposed to be red, white, and blue chocolate covered Oreo and strawberries, but the blue and the red did not take. Oh, it was a frustrating morning trying to make these. And next, here's coming up. So these are the peanut butter cookies, mostly for the captain and myself, since we're both diabetics. So I made them all with Splenda. The guys, of course, love them too. There's approximately 90 cookies in there. So that was fun. Here is those sliders. And those are the White Castle sliders recipe. Did you know that they have peanut butter in that recipe? I was so surprised, and it tastes fantastic. And then, of course, we got the mini pigs in a blanket. And those went over really well too. These guys, they love bite-sized food. I don't know why. They just pile up their plate anyways. And of course, here's the chili and cheese mixture that goes with it. So they were gone with that real fast too. Why? It was so hot outside, they still wanted their chili. Now, let's make a note here. And I am not going to say those cuss words I said. Must make sure hot pad is in hand before grabbing the rack in the oven. Hey everyone. It's the next day after the 4th. I'm sorry I didn't get this video out any sooner. Our service on this boat is nil to nothing most of the time. So I do have other videos that I'm getting prepared and try to get them posted. I'm still working on that special video for everybody. And I just also wanted to say, for those that I spoke with yesterday, and especially Blind Views, had a good time even during that short visit on the phone, and also speaking with everybody there. So in the live chat, had fun speaking to you guys. A couple of things you're going to see at the end of the video. Now, it's a sticker up in the right hand corner. I'm going to be ordering those within the next couple of weeks. I'll put a link down below for my PayPal. If you want one, let me know. Go to PayPal. Please make sure you put your name and your address, so when I get those in, it'll probably take about 2 weeks after that I would receive them. But I'm not going to be off the boat till, I believe it's August 15th. It's somewhere around there. I'm going to be spending a full 56 days on the boat. But I'll be home for 1 week during that time, and then I'll get the stickers and I'll be able to mail them out as soon as possible. But those should be waiting for me by the time I get home. I'm having fun here on the boat. The guys are great. Some of them like to play their little pranks. They're about to deal with Saucy the cook, Saucy the chef, Saucy the revenge maker. And they're starting to learn, don't mess with the chef. But I try to keep my language clean here, and unfortunately I didn't last night. Working with a bunch of guys, I learned your sensitivity is at the dock. And I have the worst language on the boat than all these guys put together. But they love me. So they think I'm a cute old woman. I don't see where, but okay. But you guys have a great day. And I'll get more videos out as soon as possible. Love, peace, and happiness always. Have a good day. Bye-bye.